Alright, family, welcome once again to the Original Source TV, the home of legit and original content on YouTube. Yes, and as we are saying about BMN, when you say we about Kwan with the analyze correct stuff, some Kwan out here, only original, legit, and massive information, yes. Today, welcome once again. Yes, we are back again on the screens to unbox the New Balance 550 Lifestyle Green, yes, from Sneaker Trans Worldwide. Yes, I told you if you need any sneaker, contact Sneaker Trans Worldwide. They do worldwide delivery, legit and original sneakers only. We already unboxed the Puma Pack Lifestyle. We unboxed the Adidas Rapid Quad Slow. Yes, we unboxed all those stuffs. Yes, today we are here to unbox the New Balance 550. Yes, 550 from New Balance. All right, yes, I got it from Sneaker Trans Worldwide, and it's really legit, and I needed to show it to you so that you can also place your orders with Sneaker Trans Worldwide. They do worldwide delivery. Yes, if you're in Europe, if you're in Asia, America, you get it within 24 hours to 48 hours. Africa, you get it within 1 week. Yes, 1 week, maximum 7 days. All right, yes. So we won't be wasting my time. Yes, we won't be wasting my time. All right, yes. So before you even get your sneaker, you open it, you get this. There's a tag from New Balance here showing the originality of the sneaker. All right, so that's what it inscribes. Or it says color migration and care. So how to care for the sneaker. All right, yes, color migration and care. These are tips from New Balance. All right, from New Balance. I told you Sneaker Trans Worldwide deals in only legit and original stuff. So even the sneaker got original information on how to keep the sneaker neat and very healthy always, yes, so that you can feel it when you wear it. All right, so it says in the case of exposure to moisture, you may experience color migration from the darker areas of your shoes onto lighter colored materials. All right, yes, so maybe excessive when you expose it to moisture and sunlight for too much, the color might fade. Yes, that's what basically it means. It might fade, and this doesn't mean that the sneaker is not original. Yes, it means it has been exposed to too much moisture and light. All right, yes, so caused by normal wear in wet conditions and perspiration. The migration is due to the inherent nature of natural leathers when dyed in a dark color. All right, so if your shoe do not become wet, insert some absorbent paper towel placed on their side and let them dry naturally away from sunlight. All right, so in the case of washing your sneaker, yes, you do dry washing. Yes, dry washing. You clean it. You use the brush to clean it, and you use a towel to clean it. All right, yes, don't use the brush to wipe it and soak it. Use water to clean it. All right, so when you clean it with a brush, then you use towel to clean it. All right, so that's dry cleaning. All right, so do not use hair dryer, clothes dryer, or ovens. All right, so when you are drying it, don't use hair dryer, ovens, or clothes dryer, and don't expose it to too much sunlight. Yes, for this sneaker. All right, yes, for this sneaker. So that's 2023 New Balance Athletics Inc. printed in Asia. All right, so there's it. Yes, this is how to keep the sneaker clean and healthy always. Yes, so this New Balance, yes, the New Balance 550. All right, yes, very legit. Yes, very legit. As you can see, New Balance, the box, everything says it. So it says New Balance Lifestyle Verde. Yes, Verde in Spanish means green. Yes, Verde in Spanish means green. All right, family. Yes, so won't be wasting my time. Yes, we'll be unboxing it. All right, yes, so this is the sneaker. All right, yes, so this is the sneaker. This New Balance 550. Yes, green. Yes, Lifestyle green. Yes, you can see this is the Lifestyle green. It has this. We'll be going into all those stuffs. All right, yes, so this is it. All right, yes, so this is the sneaker. Yes, this is the New Balance Lifestyle green. Yes, Lifestyle green. All right, yes, so as you can see, it's very legit and original. Yes, very legit and original. No fakes allowed out here. Yes, so let's take some brief history about the New Balance 550 before we even get into the inscriptions. All right, yes, so in the New Balance 550 debuted in 1989. Yes, so in 1989 that it was released. Yes, the 550 was designed by Steven Smith as a budget-friendly basketball shoe priced at $45. All right, so The shoe was originally designed to be with low budget. Yes, you can get it at a low price, all right, but now it's not so. Yes, due to many reasons, all right. So the 550 was designed by Steven Smith as a budget-friendly basketball shoe priced at $45. Yes, the 550 was overshadowed by more advanced basketball shoes in the era. So like Air Jordans, the Reeboks, the Adidas, the Nikes. Yes, so it didn't make the 550 gain more significant traction. Alright, yes, so New Balance partnered with Aimé Leon Dore, yes, which was led by Teddy Santis to reintroduce the 550 in 2020. Yes, in 2020. The collaboration sparked a wave of popularity, transforming the 550 into a sought-after lifestyle sneaker. Yes, so right now, many popular celebrities own this shoe. Yes, many popular celebrities are owning this shoe because it has become very popular again. Yes, and people are running after it. They are sorting, they are going after it. All right, so I hope you also go get yours. All right. So the 550 is known for its clean, retro aesthetic and comfortable fit, making it appealing to both sneaker enthusiasts and casual wearers. Yes, so mostly these sneakers come in the straight form. Yes, in straight form and very few leather parts. Alright, so the 550's revival has led to numerous colorways, collaborations, and a broader appeal for New Balance, particularly among young consumers. Yes, so now this 550 is mostly consumed by the young consumers. Yes, the young sneakerheads, and this is because of its numerous colorways. Yes, numerous colorways from the red, the blue, green, white, yellow, brown, all the, and just name it. The 550 has got it. Alright, family, the 550 has got all the colorways. Yes. The 550 success has also influenced the revival of its high top counterpart, the 650. Yes, so due to the much consuming of this sneaker, it has also led to the resurgence and the also consuming of the 650 and other New Balance sneakers. Alright, yes, New Balance sneakers. So as we said it, yes, so now we go into the sneakers. We go into the sneaker original. Right, so before you get it, yes, when you get it, you check it. I told you check this part to see that when it is original. You see, yes, so as you can see, it is not breaking, it is standing. This original sneaker. Yes, so it has this sneaker has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. Yes, 5 colors. You can see this is the brown first color, the white second color, the gray third color, the green fourth color, and the black fifth color. Alright, so this sneaker has got 5 colors. Yes, 5 colors. So it depends on the colorway. Most of them, maybe it can get maybe 3, 4, or 6, 7. It depends. Alright, it depends on the design. Alright, so you see the New Balance sign. Yes, the New Balance symbol here, and the New Balance inscription also out here. Yes, so if you want to check that it is original, alright, yes, so you see the New Balance here and you see their sign over here. Alright, yes, so the New Balance is inside. Yes, this New Balance sign is also inside. When you use your hands to pass on it, you can see that it has been designed inside. The 550 also doesn't fade. Alright, it doesn't fade, and it has got this tag. Yes, this tag which reads "Discover Autolite Foam Technology, the secret to comfort and performance." So this is talking about the sole. Yes, this sole. All right, yes, so this sole which has this New Balance inscription, New Balance arc support. Yes, so it has the first layer and the second layer also lying inside. All right, so this is designed to give you the absolute comfort and relaxability. Yes, and it is technology driven. Yes, it is technology driven and high performance. All right, so that's the New Balance. And when you take it, you get the New Balance here. Yes, so you see the New Balance 550 written out here. Alright, yes, family. So New Balance 550 out here, and the design is also here with the colorway of this side. Yes, the lifestyle green. Yes, this will be represented out here. All right, so this eco, so this means the sneaker is environmentally friendly. All right, yes, environmentally friendly. So eco, Autolite comfort foam insoles. Yes, so the insole, this one, the insole. All right, so seamless comfortables and music. All right, so it has this side, it has around 4 to 5 layers. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so even the color of the sneaker is almost 6 colors, because this is deep gray. Yes, deep gray, and this is light gray. All right, deep gray and light gray, and the white brown, yes. So family, this is the New Balance 550. Yes, it has the design also here. So when you buy it, I want you to check all these stuffs. Yes, all these stuffs to see that it is an original sneaker and you are not buying a fake one. All right, so this sneaker has been cited to be worn by Justin Bieber, Taylor Swift, Adele, Hailey Bieber, and Ashake, Jack Harlow, and a whole lot of celebrities. All right, so I want you to get yours. Get yours. It is now pricing at 140 euros. All right, it's 140 euros, but I can get some for you at 120 euros. All right, 140 euros, and I can get it for you at 120 euros. So just contact Sneaker Trans Worldwide on Instagram, or just leave me a comment, or just WhatsApp me, Instagram me, TikTok. Send me a message, the Original Source TV, or leave a comment out here. I will get to you and get your sneaker for you at a very cool price. All right, very legit, very original, and you are going to wear it to feel the sneaker industry. All right, so we'll be back again on your screens another time. Until you see again, it's the Original Source TV. Bye.